How to earn make money online with Google AdMove. Google AdMove how to make 2500 euro month with the simple. How to earn money with the AdMove ads modular. How to earn money with AdMove. AdMove revenue per impression. AdMove is one of the months that mobile app owners use to earn money. Recently, AdMove enable you to earn money by showing ads in an app. AdMove, a Google production, creates an opportunity to earn money from both Android and iOS platforms. The more the ad you create by using AdMove, get the attraction, the more you can earn income. So, how AdMove in use and how it enable you to earn income. What is AdMove? AdMove is a performance based marketing product that was developed by Google, and it helps you to earn income by publishing banner and video ads. AdMove platforms gives the opportunity to earn additional income for the ones how commercialize their mobile apps in Android and iOS App Store. Moreover, because these advertisements are responsive, their size can automatically be set according to the screen size of the mobile device that uh, prohib- prohibit the user experience to be affected negatively. A filtering option. Uh, with AdMove, everything is under app owners control. Therefore, with specific filters, you can determine the advertisement categories that you will use. Also, you can decide when and where the ad will appear. For example, among the general categories, you can filter out categories such as real estate or vehicle that are not related to your app. This way, your user won't be distracted by other categories. How much can you earn from AdMove ads? There is no one answer to that question. It is possible to make assumption according to some factors. The income earned from AdMove will be parallel to the data such as apps grading the downloading rate in Google Play and App Store. The time users spend on the app is also a crucial factor for more lead uh, make money with mobile app. Therefore, increasing positive comments and feedback for your app would attract more potential users and Google this way. With the increasing app download rate, you can increase your income. There is more than one way to earn money from a mobile app. admob is a useful platform that helps you to earn income with ads showing. Thanks to that important platform, which is suitable for any app, it is effortless to show the most attractive ads such as banner and video ads in the mobile app. You can easily make money from your mobile app with admob is admob revenue per impression. If you still do not have your own mobile app, you can develop a mobile app in minutes via mobile ruler without any knowledge of coding. Create your own mobirular account and meet with mobile users as soon as possible. Tag categories, app ideas, create an app, journal, make money, optimize your app, promote your app. Tags, app, Apple App Store, app monetization, app optimization, app promotion, app stores, content, create an app, create your own app. Customer loyalty, data security, and design, digital marketing, e-commerce, Google Play Store, how to make an app, interaction, localization, make an app, make money, marketing, strategy, mobile app, mobile app design, mobile app optimization, mobile app promotion, mobile device, mobile marketing, mobile users, mobility, monetize your mobile app, optimize your app promotion, social media data, strategy development, target audience, the audience, target audience, analytic, user comment, user experience, yeah, user habit, user interaction, user interface,